up country, decent birds, good dog work, fills the bag.
Maybe I should have gone waterproof.
That's breakaway still on, right? Is that the breakaway collar still?
Why can't I seem to hold my head up high? It must be the devil in my ear. I'm not good enough, so what's the use? Self-medicate and self-abuse. It must be the devil in my ear. I try to push them all away, but those thoughts, they stick around, driving on my pain, and they keep bringing me down. I pray to God for peace of mind, for the gloom to disappear.
Got to the top of the ridge and reconnected with Nato being on point, 100 yards plus. Came up on the ridge and he was locked solid in a decent little group, about 20. And got 2 retrieves. 2 for 3 I'll take. I've known to shoot 2 boxes of shells and get limits.
I should have had 3 I know the devil's gotten in my brain. I try to push them all away, but those thoughts, they stick around.
Just winged that one, couldn't find it.
I pray to God for peace of mind, for the gloom to disappear. I can't find a cause to live with the devil in my
Yeah, he got one, and then we dumped another one and couldn't find it.
Oh, really?
How about you, Booth?
Not a limit yet, so I don't want to talk about it.
I don't wanna die, I wanna live, but my life can't go on like this. And not another day with the devil in my ear. Well, not another day with the devil in my ear. Not another day with the devil in my ear.
Oh. Cool. Good boy, Nato. I knew I loved you.
We got Chukar that you guys bombed off the cliffs with, this is Frito barbecue honey Frito crusted, sour cream and onion lays crusted, and cheddar and sour cream ruffles.
Yep, rested.
And then we got a Melinda's ghost pepper sauce with some butter and some honey.
Oh,
We'll
nice.
dip them in that, glaze them off, and we're just gonna have 3 different flavors. Here we are, we're doing a little shallow fry.
That was so simple.
Nuggets, delicious nuggets, freshly harvested from the cliffs of the salmon by you.
I got one.
Beautiful.
Honey barbecue, hot sauce,
Damn, Dave.
ghost pepper sauce. It's not too hot because the honey cut.
Impressive.
Shit.
Down.
That was flying
Nice work.
Wow.
179 yards exactly from the rafts and on birds. Had too many beers in Dave's kitchen.
I've been out of my mind and wasted and borrowing time from the road that I've gone down. Feel the sorrow inside. I know I'm gonna shake it. Gonna ride till I die. Live the best of this life. Life. Live the best of this life. Live the best of this life. I've been stuck here inside, staring out my window. It's been a long, long time. Gonna get fucked up tonight until I close my eyes. It's gonna be a rager until I see the daylight. Gonna live the best of this life. Live the best of this life. Live the best of this life. Life. Live the best of this life.
Chicken with gnocchi, one fresh chanterelles from North Idaho,
Style. Shit right there.
crispy sage, and then we have some maple steamed carrots with some Bruno's pickled peppers, a little hot and sour.
Amazing. Thank you.
Yes, bon appetit.
Thank you guys for everything.